Hello. In this video, we're going to cover the import and export of RemoteApp applications within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.9. This is a useful feature which allows you to pre-configure your applications within your environment and export those and import them to other locations so you don't have to define them every time you create a new RemoteApp server. In order to export the apps, navigate to your RemoteApps page, and from here we can import or export applications, and we can optionally select individual applications and choose export selected applications from this list. So I will export my full list of applications. We have the option to either export that to a JSON file, or handily, if we wanted to target a new host pool which had the applications installed, but we want to publish those applications, we can do that via this method as well. I'm going to export to JSON. My file gets created, and you can see it defines all of the parameters for the application as they are within the console. So we have the prefetch 1, for example, as a command line argument, which is specified against Windows Media Player in this example. I can then import that application list, choose my JSON file, and it will upload, and as long as the applications are available on the host pool, they will be imported. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we will see you again.